Okay guys, so we're going to make some cabbage soup. So these are all the ingredients that we're going to use in order to make our cabbage soup. Now this cabbage soup, I'm going to add some chicken tips to it. So here I had some chicken tips that I had put in the freezer. And what I did, I just added a little bit of salt to this, some garlic powder, and a little chicken seasoning blend. The chicken seasoning blend that I used had a little bit of sugar, salt, paprika, pimento, celery, onion, garlic, and red pepper. So I just added that to the chicken tips. What I had done is that when I had cut up my chicken, I saved the tips so that I can use for soup. So we're going to use this, the chicken tips. Then I'm also going to use some olive oil because I'm going to brown the chicken tips first. I'm going to use some chicken broth. Of course, we have the cabbage. I have some spring onions. I have some parsley, some carrots, some pumpkin, some water that I'm also going to add along with the chicken broth, salt, 3 cloves of garlic here, about a half a teaspoon of thyme, and a little piece of ginger that I'm also going to put in the soup as well. So what I'm going to do, first I'm going to brown the chicken tips in the garlic, and then I'm going to add the pumpkin and the carrots and saute it a little bit, get it nice and soft a little bit. And then I'm going to add in the cabbage, the spring onions, the parsley, the chicken broth, the water, and the rest of things, the thyme and the ginger. So let's get started. I'm also going to add in the ginger now. So let's add in the chicken tips now. Just going to sprinkle a little sea salt at this point, just to give a little seasoning to the pumpkin and the carrot. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to add in now the chicken broth. I'm going to add in the thyme, the spring onions, and the carrot. Okay, so now I'm going to add some more. I'm going to add rather water now. Here I added about 2 cups of water. Okay, so to season the cabbage, I'm just going to sprinkle a little more salt again. Of course, if I need to add more, I will just taste it after it's cooked to see when I need to add more of that, but you can always add, but we can't take away. All right, so let's bring this up to a boil. I think I'm going to add about a quarter cup more of water to it though. Actually, I'm going to add a half cup more of water. Of course, you just continue adding water if it starts to, the liquid starts to go down, as the case may be. All right, so let's now bring this up to a boil. After it comes up to a boil, I'm then going to turn down the flame to low, cover it, and leave it to cook until everything is nice and soft. Okay, so now that it's bubbling up, I'm now going to cover it, and I'm going to turn down the stove to low and leave it to cook until it's complete. Okay guys, so our cabbage soup is now completed. It smells really good, and it's all ready to eat now. So once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you would know when I publish new videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.